So today we are doing what?
Egg bites.
Egg bites. Is that a funny dish? No?
Hey guys, I'm Natalia and this is...
I'm Timothy.
Well, he typically goes by Tim, but...
Today I'm feeling special.
We are with Mom's Dish. Today we're making egg bites. Do you know what egg bites are?
I think so. I think we had some. The little muffin looking things?
Yes.
Okay.
So what's great about egg bites is that we used to make them all the time when we worked in Seattle. You pack a few, you heat it up for breakfast. It was awesome.
They were. I really like the convenience that you have them pre-made. You just microwave them and ready to go.
Yep. And also school lunches for kids and also having them on hand. Just like it's really convenient for a awesome busy week where you don't have to worry about breakfast.
Well, I'm ready. Let's get started.
So here are the ingredients that we need for egg bites. We have 12 eggs here, half a cup of whipped cream, about a cup of chopped bacon that's been pre-cooked, and also about a cup of mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese can be replaced with any other of your favorite cheeses. And then also we have some greens, which kids probably won't care about. We have some green onions and kale. So the first step would be to add all the eggs into a bowl, and I'll have Tim crack them all in 10 seconds. Let's see how he does.
This is how I do it. I don't do it one hand, but if I would.
Let me show you. That's kind of like how you do it. Let's see who does it better. Oh. So the next step is what you need to do is put in all the whipped cream in there.
All of it at once?
Yes.
Okay.
Just put it in there and we'll whisk it up.
Okay. Let's do this.
We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Just a little pinch because bacon and cheese already has salt in it, so just a tiny bit.
Good point.
So the next step, what Tim will do is add bacon and cheese into the mix and we'll be almost done. Go ahead.
Bacon?
Yep.
Easy, especially when it's pre-made for you.
Yes, pre-cut.
Pre-cut.
So now we're gonna need to oil the muffin pan. So the next step would be is to put it in equal pieces. If you wanna make a grown-up version,
Okay.
or if your kids like kale, that's also an option.
I like kale.
You like kale. So we'll fill up each muffin thing with a little bit of kale and then we'll just top it off with the egg mixture.
It's a lot of kale. Are you sure that's enough?
Sure.
I mean, that's a lot.
Kale?
Are you sure that's enough?
That's enough.
Yeah, okay.
Just go ahead.
Just pour some on top?
Yep. So now we need to bake this at 350 for 20 minutes.
Okay. Sounds
And
good.
that's all. And it will be ready breakfast on the go.
Ready for it.
Tim got something for us.
Oh my goodness, they're so cool. They look so huge.
They come out very fluffy, but watch them deflate.
Now I noticed one thing. I should have probably slightly oiled them a little more. But what we did here is we actually gave it a little bit of time to cool off, about roughly 5 minutes.
Yep.
And that kind of creates enough steam to allow them to peel off a little bit. And so
You're learning tricks as you cook, huh?
I am. Want to take it from here?
Yes. Let's taste this.
Still hot.
Cheers.
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 12 bites,
Egg bites.
roughly 12 eggs. So
It was 12 eggs.
pretty much an egg a bite.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
We had a little bit more than 12 egg bites. I think came out with 16 or so.
Okay,
Because we filled it up with kale so much.
that's true.
Now that Tim knows how to make egg bites, I think we're covered for days. We have some leftovers. He's still chewing, so I'll keep talking.
It's very good.
But now that it's so dark out, like this is great to make day ahead or days ahead.
You can literally make it days ahead.
Yes, and just freeze it or refrigerate it in an airtight container. So yeah.
That's true. Like it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time,
like, comment,
and do whatever you need to do.
let's keep eating.